Step into a realm where the sun-soaked landscapes of the Mediterranean come alive within the confines of your living space. Mediterranean interior design beckons you on a journey that transcends time, weaving together a tapestry of rich history, vibrant colors, and timeless elegance. In this exploration, we'll delve into the principles and rules that define the essence of this captivating style, igniting a passion for the warmth and beauty that characterizes Mediterranean design. History. Before we embark on the principles, let's unravel a bit of history. Mediterranean interior design draws its inspiration from the sun-kissed regions of southern Europe, encompassing Italy, Greece, and Spain, among others. Born out of a confluence of diverse cultures, the style echoes the architectural marvels of ancient civilizations. Such as the Greeks and Romans, as well as the intricate detailing of Moorish influences. Mediterranean design has always been a reflection of the region's temperament, a marriage of practicality and beauty. The historical influences, from the simplicity of Greek structures to the opulence of Roman villas, have left an indelible mark on the design aesthetic. The Moors, with their intricate tilework and arches, further enriched this style, creating a harmonious blend of patterns and textures. Let's delve into the heart of this design aesthetic, where tradition meets modernity, and where each rule is a key to unlocking the beauty of Mediterranean living. (1) Earthy Palette. The Mediterranean color palette extends beyond the basic warm tones to include the full spectrum of nature's hues. From the deep greens of olive groves to the rich purples of blooming bougainvillea, integrating a variety of colors mirrors the diverse landscapes. By embracing the full range, you can create a dynamic and visually engaging space. (2) Natural materials. Extend the use of natural materials beyond the conventional to include bamboo, rattan, and seagrass. These materials not only provide texture but also contribute to the relaxed and organic feel of Mediterranean interiors. Picture a room adorned with intricately woven seagrass baskets and bamboo blinds, offering a tactile and visually stimulating experience. 3. Architectural harmony. Incorporate architectural elements that foster harmony and continuity. Beyond arches and exposed beams, consider incorporating stone columns, wrought iron stair railings, and stucco walls. These features create a sense of architectural unity, echoing the historical influences that define Mediterranean design. (4) Mosaic Mastery. Expand your use of mosaics to include various surfaces, such as kitchen backsplashes, bathroom walls, and even outdoor spaces. The timeless art of mosaic offers limitless possibilities for creativity. Imagine a mosaic-adorned fountain in the courtyard or a kitchen transformed into a canvas of intricate patterns, each piece telling a unique story. (5) Abundant greenery. Integrate lush greenery into your interiors. Mediterranean homes often feature courtyards and gardens. And by bringing plants indoors, you bridge the gap between exterior and interior spaces. Consider potted herbs in the kitchen, cascading vines in living areas, and fragrant flowers on tabletops to infuse your home with the scents and sights of the Mediterranean landscape. (6) Whitewashed elegance. While color is celebrated, the use of whitewashed walls is a quintessential Mediterranean design element. White walls not only create a sense of openness but also reflect and amplify natural light, enhancing the overall brightness of the space. Complement the white backdrop with colorful accessories and furnishings to strike the perfect balance. (7) Open layouts. Mediterranean homes traditionally embrace open layouts that facilitate a seamless flow between indoor and outdoor spaces. Consider removing unnecessary walls to create a more open and inviting environment. This design principle enhances the sense of spaciousness and captures the easy, breezy lifestyle associated with the Mediterranean. 8. Distinctive tiles. Dive into the world of distinctive tiles that showcase intricate patterns and vibrant colors. Use them not only for flooring but also as accent pieces on walls and countertops. Moroccan, Spanish, and Portuguese tiles, with their bold designs, add a touch of exoticism, transforming your home into a canvas of visual interest. 9. Cozy nooks. Create cozy nooks that invite relaxation and contemplation. Picture a reading corner adorned with plush cushions and throws, bathed in the gentle glow of lanterns. These intimate spaces provide a retreat within your home. Offering a sanctuary to unwind and enjoy the slow pace of Mediterranean living. 10. Antique charm. Infuse your space with the charm of antiques and vintage finds. Hunt for unique pieces that tell a story. Whether it's a weathered wooden chest, an intricately carved mirror, or antique ceramics. These treasures add character and authenticity, elevating your home to a place where history and modernity coexist in perfect harmony. As we bid adieu to our exploration of Mediterranean interior design, envision yourself lounging in a sun-drenched villa overlooking the azure waters of the Mediterranean. The principles and rules we've unveiled are your ticket to recreating this timeless aesthetic within the confines of your own abode. Let the warmth of earthy tones, the embrace of natural materials, and the allure of architectural elements transport you to a place where every moment is infused with the spirit of the Mediterranean. Embark on this design journey, and let your home become a canvas that captures the magic of sun-soaked landscapes. And the rich tapestry of history woven into the very fabric of Mediterranean design. Transform your living space into a sanctuary where the echoes of ancient civilizations coalesce with modern comfort. creating an environment that transcends time and captivates the senses. In the embrace of Mediterranean design, your home becomes a haven. An ode to the timeless allure of a region steeped in history and bathed in the eternal glow of the Mediterranean sun.